Hi friends, if you have diabetes, your doctor or dietitian might told you that you can't eat fruits as you wish because fruits has carbohydrate in the form of natural sugar, fructose and sucrose, which can raise your blood sugar too high. But it can still be part of your diet because it contains lots of fiber, vitamins, minerals and phytochemicals. So it's always important to look for sugar content in the food what you eat. There are fruits which contain considerably low amount of carbs and high in fiber which help to control the blood sugar level to normal. Let us see those fruits which diabetes can eat in their daily diet. Number 1. Orange which contain 10.9 grams of carbohydrates and do have low glycemic index when compared to other fruits. So can be eaten by diabetic patients. Number 2. Musambi can be used by diabetics because it has low glycemic index and carbohydrate content is 9.3 gram per 100 gram. Third fruit can be eaten by diabetics is guava, which contain 9.1 gram of carbohydrate and fiber is 4.8. So it's beneficial in controlling blood sugar level. Use slightly ripe guava than fully ripe. Fourth, one of the best fruit for diabetics is avocado or butterfruit, which contain 0.8 gram of carbohydrate, which is extremely less when compared to other fruits. It do contain high dietary fiber and high beneficial fats, which considered to be the best fruit for diabetics. Fifth one is the kiwi fruit, which contain 11 gram of carbohydrate, so can be recommended for diabetics. Sixth one is grapefruit, which is similar to orange and has 10 gram of carbohydrate, but considered to be low glycemic food, so can include in diabetic diet. Seventh one is blueberries, one of the wonder fruit which can be eaten by all. It contains 14 gram of carbohydrate and low GI foods, so include in diabetic diet. These are the fruits can be included in diabetic diet. There are few more fruits which contain moderate amount of sugar, so can be included once in a while, that is weekly once, that too 50 gram per serve. Those are apple, mulberry, rose apple, strawberry, blackcurrant, and pears. So these are the fruits can diabetic eat in their daily diet. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.